beauties, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell, here's my hair. I haven't straightened it in a week, but I'm very tempted to straighten it. So that is why I have to go ahead and and put in a ponytail, put it away, because if I don't, I'm gonna be tempted to flat iron it. So I'm gonna do this ponytail, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get a very sleek ponytail without using too much heat, without damaging your hair. And yeah, so if you are interested in getting a very sleek ponytail like they do at the salons, then stay tuned and keep watching. So if you are interested in any bundles, I do sell hair as well. The website is www.jus'Marie.haircollection.com. Also, I'll be having edge control coming out very soon. I do use that edge control in this video. If you do want to be notified when that edge control is available, or when I'm doing the pre-order sales, then you want to subscribe to my mailing list. So go to that website and sign up for my mailing list. So I did end up having to use a little bit of heat, and that's because like right up there at the top, it was like a little nappy. So I had to straighten it out a little bit. But other than that, I did not use any more heat, but up there where you guys see me using the heat. If you get your hair flat ironed like weeks in advance, then you shouldn't have to go back over it again and get it flat ironed. This is just what I did after I got tired of wearing the wrap that I had in my hair. So I had to add a piece up there at the top because my hair is very thin up there due to it just recently breaking off really bad. So I had to add a piece of hair up there at the top. And that just gives you a little bit more length, so that way you'll be able to swoop it better and everything. The hair that I'm using is curly. It's my curly hair, so of course I wanted it to be straight up there, so I'm straightening it out on here. If you guys can do me a favor and share this video with someone that you believe would benefit from this video, or are interested in ponytails or whatever, share that video and share this video. And then at the bottom, can you type in "done" in the comments section, just so I can give you a shout out and thank you for supporting my channel. So that's the edge control I just used. It's super awesome. It gives you a long hold. My hair will literally be held for days after using that edge control. The more you put on, the more of a hold you'll get. And as long as you brush it really well, you'll brush the white away. It won't continue to have like a white residue there, just so you know. It just gives you a sleek look after it's completely brushed out. And it almost looks like you have a relaxer when you put that edge control in. I love it. And I'm pretty sure you guys will love it as well, as I like it, and also my clients that I have been using it on for the past 2 years. So I'm going to spray it with some sheen from Aquage. And this just gives me, it gives me some shine, you know, it adds some shine to the style. And I'm going to braid my little twiggy in the back. So I will be going, I just recently got my hair cut. So I will be doing a 12 months of natural, where I'm going to go natural on my channel and show you guys how to repair your damaged hair and how to grow your natural hair. So if you guys are interested in going on that journey with me, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I will be posting those videos monthly. And I'm not for sure on the exact day of the week that I'm going to do, but just make sure that you're subscribed so you can be notified when I have that video available. I do post every Monday. Sorry, I post every Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified and all that good stuff. So what I'm doing here is I thread the track around the braid, and that's pretty much all you have to do is just go through the weft about twice and then wrap it. Go through it twice, wrap it. Go through it twice, wrap it. That's all I'm doing pretty much. Is I'm threading through the braid and through the track twice on each side, and then I'm wrapping it. Then I'm doing it again. I hope that makes sense, guys, but that's what I'm doing pretty much. And this whole entire process took me under 40 minutes. So it shouldn't take you guys long at all. Once you have it down packed, you'll be good. Just take a piece of the hair from the bottom, wrap it around, and that just seals away that that track that you see as well. Put some holding spray in there, and the holding spray I'm using is Sebastian. It is Sebastian Shaper. And that's it, guys. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for being a beautiful person on my channel. Please make sure you share this video. Make sure you like this video. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much, beauties. I appreciate every last one of you. Make sure you comment down in the comment section below and tell me what videos you guys want to see next. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you're following me at Jus'Marie_Hair Studio. All right, beauties, bye.